Your question is, under which of the following articles the President of India can suspend the enforcement of fundamental rights except Articles 20, 21? Your options are A. Article 358, B. Article 359, C. Article 13 or D. Article 356. Right answer is B. Article 359. Your question is, mainly on whose advice the President's rule is imposed in the state? Your options are A. Chief Minister, B. Legislative Assembly, C. Governor or D. Chief Justice of High Court. Right answer is C. Governor. Your question is, which of the following articles cannot be suspended during the national emergency? Your options are A. Articles 14 and 15, B. Articles 20, 19 and 20, C. Articles 21 and 22 or D. Articles 20 and 21. Right answer is D. Articles 20 and 21. Your question is, under which article of the Indian Constitution President's rule can be imposed in a state? Your options are A. Article 370, B. Article 368, C. Article 356 or D. Article 352. Right answer is C. Article 356. Your question is, which of the following are not necessarily the consequences of the proclamation of the President's rule in a state? 1. Dissolution of the State Legislative Assembly. 2. Removal of the Council of Ministers in the state. 3. Dissolution of the local bodies. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Your options are A. 1 and 2 only, B. 1 and 3 only, C. 2 and 3 only or D. 1, 2 and 3. Right answer is B. 1 and 3 only. Dissolution of the State Legislative Assembly and dissolution of the local bodies. Your question is, if the President of India exercises his power as provided under Article 356 of the Constitution in respect of a particular state, then your options are A. The Assembly of the state is automatically dissolved, B. The parts of the legislature of that state shall be exercisable by or under the authority of the Parliament, C. Article 19 is suspended in that state or D. The President can make laws relating to that state. Right answer is B. The parts of the legislature of that state shall be exercisable by or under the authority of the Parliament. Your question is, consider the following statements regarding Article 356 of the Constitution. 1. Failure of constitutional machinery in states is an objective reality. 2. A proclamation under this article can be reviewed by Supreme Court. 3. Along with this proclamation, State Legislative Assembly can be dissolved. 4. This proclamation has to be approved by each House of Parliament within 2 months. Which of the following statements given above is correct? Your options are A. 1, 2 and 4 only, B. 1, 2 and 3 only, C. 3 and 4 only or D. 2, 3 and 4 only. Right answer is A. 1, 2 and 4 only. Failure of constitutional machinery in states is an objective reality. A proclamation under this article can be reviewed by Supreme Court and this proclamation has to be approved by each House of Parliament within 2 months. Your question is, a proclamation of emergency must be placed before the Parliament for its approval. Your options are A. Within 1 month, B. Within 2 months, C. Within 6 months or D. Within 1 year. Right answer is A. Within 1 month. Your question is, which one of the following is the time limit for the ratification of an emergency period by the Parliament? Your options are A. 14 days, B. 1 month, C. 3 months or D. 6 months. Right answer is B. 1 month. Your question is, who said the emergency power of the President is a fraud with the Constitution? Your options are A. K. M. Munshi, B. B. N. Rao, C. K. M. Nambiar or D. H. N. Kunzuru. Right answer is C. K. M. Nambiar.